Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Hi, Miss Marian. You look stunning today. Are you ready for Avignon As?
Of course.
What's the first thing in your mind every morning?
Every morning, pag every morning kasi nagpe-pray ako na maging maayos and smooth yung araw ko, especially yung mga anak ko at asawa ko.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
Naku, yung asawa ko mahilig talaga sa breakfast, kaya hindi pwedeng wala kaming mag-breakfast together. So siguro ang madalas, bread, rice, depende sa kids. Minsan gusto nila, nagre-request sila kung anong gusto nilang food. Pero more on siguro healthy food yung gusto namin every morning.
Alright. How do you find time to prioritize self-care within your busy schedule?
Ay, hindi pwedeng wala. Kaya mahalaga talaga ang time management. Kasi from there, maaayos mo talaga kung anong priority mo, anong gagawin mo, at scheduling. Kasi para sa akin, mahalaga na maayos ang schedule every month yan.
Describe Avignon Clinic in one word.
Elegant.
What is your favorite Avignon treatment?
Madami. Pero siguro ang pipiliin ko is si Thermage.
Alright. How does it feel to be part of the Avignon family?
I'm very excited, tapos nilook forward ko na masubukan ko talaga yung mga machines nila kasi ang pagkakaalam ko sila talaga yung may advanced na mga machines dito sa atin. So very excited din ako na i-share to sa mga mahal ko sa buhay na ano ba yung experience ko sa Avignon na gusto ko ma-experience nila.
What can your fans expect in the next few months?
Ay, madami. Lalo na nasa Avignon ako, watch out.
Alright, that's it. We look
Alright,
forward
thank
to
you.
that. Thank you, Miss Marian.
Bye!